Hi, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I am Megan Harris from Thrive Alive Academy. So today I'd like to share with you something that I have just recently installed in my house. In fact, in my bathroom, and I absolutely love it. It was gifted to me, and I didn't actually know how to install this thing, and luckily we had a little bit of a leak in the bathroom, and we had to get a plumber. So while he came out to fix the other problem, I sweet talked him into installing this for me so that I could begin to use it. And I have fallen in love with this thing. I'm thinking, oh my word, I'm just so excited. Why didn't I have this sooner? So today I am going to be sharing with you about a bidet. So I actually grew up with a house that had a bidet. So I'm from South Africa, and I grew up in Johannesburg, and we had a lovely big house with bathrooms all over. I think we had like 4 or 5 bathrooms. And in my parents' bathroom, they had a bidet. And I remember as a kid always just playing silly games with my friends with it, and always turning it on when we had clothes on and getting ourselves wet, and not really knowing how to use it properly, but just kidding around with it. And you know, over time, houses just don't come made with them anymore. You always used to get your toilet and then a separate bidet, and you know, those are the houses I remember. All homes used to have those when I was growing up. Now nobody seems to have one. And so when I got given one as a gift, I was kind of remembering back to when I was a child, and I'm thinking, I don't know if I'm really going to like this kind of thing. So the reason I was excited to give it a try was more because of toilet paper. I think I have already shared how bad toilet paper is, but in case I haven't, let me just redo that now. So toilet paper, I don't know why I didn't think this earlier, but I discovered about a year ago how bad toilet paper is for you and the planet. So first of all, toilet paper comes with chlorine, then they bleach it, then they put chlorine dioxane in it, then it comes with fragrances, and all of those come with the most terrible side effects and risks, such as cancers, hormone disruptors, it's a hormone mimicker. And so especially for women, it will mimic your hormones, and especially if you're estrogen dominant, it's going to play havoc with your hormones. And that will create other side effects like moodiness and depression, all from your toilet paper. I mean, come on, guys. It's like these manufacturers are out to get us. I can't understand how they put these products out and don't warn us of the side effects and just think we're never going to find out. Well, I'm the one who's finding this out, and feel it's my mission to share every time these companies do that. So normal toilet paper is not healthy. Plus, the amount of trees that it's cutting down, and you know how much water you have to give to the trees to produce the paper, to do the toilet paper, and then you're blocking it in the water system, and then it doesn't biodegrade either. It just sits there. So wherever it gets sent to and lumped, it just stays and doesn't biodegrade. So it's pretty gross if you start to think about it. So anyway, that is why I decided to try out this bidet, and it's a portable one. So when I move, if I ever had to move, I can just unhook it from my toilet seat and everything, and the pipe, and then just go. It can go where I go. So I'm just loving this. And so I'm going to read to you what it says on my little thing and the benefits of it. and then hopefully you'll be excited to go get and try one yourself, because they're not expensive, and I'll leave links below where you can go and buy some, because I'm telling you, I am a convert now, and I'm sure that once you install yours, so will you be. And so these are some of the benefits. So first of all, you're not getting your nether regions in contact all the time. I mean, you're going to the toilet quite a bit, particularly women, and you're not getting those in contact with those very bad cancer, endocrine, skin irritants, all of that. You're saying goodbye to that. You're also helping with conservation of trees and water and the environment. You're also helping with the biodegrading and the tanks and the rubbish and the gunk and the sewerage and all of that. My one comes with a 60-day trial period. I didn't even know that, now that I read it here. So after 60 days, if I don't like it, I can just send it back. And I'm sure that the others are like that as well. So you can just send it back if you don't like it. But I am convinced you will love it. So isn't that great? You're doing a wonderful thing for your own self as well as the environment. So that's brilliant. And then the other thing I did go and get myself was, you know, after you've used the bidet, which is basically just squirting water instead of using toilet paper, you're wet, right? So you're going to have to do something, and you don't want to grab toilet paper, otherwise that's just negating the whole reason of having one. And you don't want to just grab your normal towel, because I'm not sure it's 100% organic, and towels also come with colorants, chlorine, fragrance, bleach, all of that stuff if you haven't swapped out your towels for healthy towels. So it comes, you can get this and order it extra. It comes with 6 of these little 100% certified organic bamboo towels, so it's safe on the environment. And you obviously just take this off, and then you use this and you blot or wipe or dry or whatever you want to do, and Bob's your uncle. You're done, and you're nice and clean, and you're nice and healthy, and you're saving yourself and the environment of all the damage that you could be doing from down under, which would spread everywhere else, and you're also saving everything else in the planet. So I would say give it a try. Probably look for one that has, like my one, that has a 60-day trial period, and you could send it back if you didn't like it. So I mean, it's a win-win situation. Absolutely. So I hope you enjoyed this information. Don't forget to click on the notification and watch any other videos and catch up if you haven't watched them before, or go and look at my intro video to learn more about me. So thank you for spending time with me today, and have a marvelous day.